Hey everyone, it is our Sunday check-in. However, I am checking in not from the studio, but from home, just thinking about all of you and wanting to say hello. You may have noticed that we haven't been on that much. That's because we have something very special coming up on the 18th that we're looking forward to sharing with all of you who's part of our Squoval squad. I know Lisa's been having a couple of chats talking about that, so hopefully you'll be able to join us on the 18th. That would just be fantastic. I know she's already done a couple of sneak peeks. Can we talk about Gray? Lisa Lasorte's on the board. Hello, Angie. Hello, Mimi. Just wanted to say good morning to everyone. We miss you, but that's only because we're resting for the 31 days of Temp-tations in August was incredible. And now we're rolling right into something very special. Hey, Dawn. Hi, Connie. Hey, Mary Miller in the house. It was so good to see you at the live studio audience. Seriously. It's just so much fun. Love, love, love. Hey, Kathy. Hey, Katrina. Good to see everybody. Barbie, how is everybody doing? How's everybody enjoying their Sunday? Believe it or not, Ed is going to take me out to brunch. So I'm very excited. Although if I go too much longer, it's not really brunch anymore. And then I think it becomes lunch. But I'm not really quite sure of what the rules are. Hey, Amy. Hi, Paula. Hi, Tanya. Hi, Marianne. So I got to show you someone very special. Oh, hey, Foz. Oh, hey, Foz. How you doing? There's Fozzie. Hey, Tux. Tuxie. Hey. He's ignoring me. Oh, and there's Jackson. He's stealing the show. Just wanted to show you, I am surrounded by all of our dogs. Carter is MIA right now, which means he's probably out surveying the property and keeping us all safe. Hey, Shane, good morning. We are not on In the Kitchen with David today, but I wanted to pop on and let you all know, if you don't know by now, it is free shipping and handling on everything, on air and online, all day at QVC. So if you have had your eyes on things, not even necessarily Temp-tations, just want to give you the heads up. But we are really excited because for us, we very, very rarely get free shipping and handling. So this is kind of a big deal. Terrell lost his breath when he saw David. I saw you put that note up there. That was very, very funny. So what kind of dogs do you guys all have? I'm sure you have pets, right? Cats, dogs. Tell me, share. Love the dogs. Of course you do, Shane. Shane is a total dog lover and works with us. So good to see you on this Sunday. Paw print floral lace.
Good morning, everybody. See, I'm trying to hide with a cup of coffee, but
nope.
No place to hide.
Never. I told everyone that if I wait too much longer, it's not brunch anymore, it's lunch. So
that's a fair point.
Yeah, it is a fair point. It is a fair point. Well, he's going to say hi in a little bit. I'm surrounded by my 6 cats right now, all rescues. Thank you, Nicole. Thank you for what you do. Hi, Trista. Hi, Cheryl. How are you guys? Evelyn, cats. Yep. We have 4 dogs, all kind of just resting and chilling, which is nice. Okay, so a couple of things. He is?
Oh.
Carter. Oh, of course he is. Hold on. So Carter is our guard dog. Hey, Carter man. He always finds a place and lays under you, and it's so sweet when he is when you're home alone and like someone's downstairs and someone's upstairs. He lays on the landing in the stairs, just kind of like guarding the whole home. Always feel safe with him. Yellow lab puppy. Hands are full. Yeah, no kidding. That is a lot. Wow. Free shipping sealed the new deal for my new harvest piece. Oh, you have a pug and a Pekingese. I love pugs. I actually love all dogs. True disclosure. Hi, Barbara. Hi, Janet. Hi, everyone. I have 2 chugs. Has a big baby, but we lost him around July 4th. Oh, sorry. Yep, I remember sending you a note. Sheila on the board. 7 ferrets, all rescues. Oh, I love that. Hello, Lena. Hello. Dina has a Yorkie, a Pomeranian, and a gang of rescue kitties. She bites me to death. Yeah, we have a few of those too.
You don't have that in common.
Yeah, exactly. Okay, so have you guys seen the sneak peeks Lisa's been giving on our today's special value. Oh, I said it there. I said it on Wednesday, the 18th. New gray in Floral Lace and bringing back the gray in Old World. Super excited about that. Free shipping all day today on QVC, and we couldn't be more excited. Lisa is actually doing a chat by popular request this Tuesday at 8 p.m. Eastern Time. It's a use and care chat. So many of you have been loving this, jumping on, asking all the questions, and she's been answering them as quickly as possible. So we'll continue doing those as long as you love them. And if there's other chats you'd like to, besides sneak peeks, we know. And there's a lot of fun stuff coming up on the 18th, a lot of new that you haven't seen. So that's exciting. Jackson wants to be in the video. Licking my hand. Apparently I'm not giving him enough attention. But yes, we are very excited. Ed, where'd you go? Everybody wants you to come say hi. Let's all say hi to Ed. Here he comes. Do. Put your glasses up a little. Say hi to everyone. There we go.
And a howdy party and a good morning. It's an honor to be a part of this and not just on the other side of watching everybody chat and everybody enjoy and share. And thanks for letting me be a part of it.
What'd you think of the 31 Days of Temp-tations?
It was 31 days that didn't feel like 31 days. It flew by.
Yeah.
And it's always enjoyable for us to see how much everybody loves what we're all sharing together. And I get a really, really happy spot in my heart to warm up as opposed to just running after dogs. I'm sure no one else ever has this issue.
So I always like to joke. So do you know A Christmas Story? There's the part where their neighbors are like the Bumpuses, and he's always like, the Bumpuses, and the dogs are like insane. Sometimes I feel like when our 4 dogs go like tearing out because like a leaf fell in the backyard or like the blade of grass moved. Yeah, that was what just happened there. So forgive us, but that's how it rolls. See everybody saying hi? Of the almost 250 people that jumped on to say hello to us this Sunday. Thanks for checking in. And we have our very special guest back here, of course. I asked him if he'd be a part of it, which is nice.
How special it is.
Very.
But, it's fun.
It's very special. All right, so we briefed you on we let the sneak peek out on the Today's Special Value on Wednesday, the 18th. Some hour shows, new products. We let them know the new colors.
Well, that's
the gray in Floral Lace and Old World. We have a use and care chat on Tuesday, so you're definitely going to want to check that out. We're going to go to brunch, which we're super excited about. And everybody was just kind of sharing with us. Lisa Lasort. Hi, Ed.
I think I know her.
Oh. Yeah. Look, Mary Miller, LOL, squirrel. Exactly. It's unbelievable. I'm like, what's going on out there? Who knows?
Yeah, pretty accurate, though.
Make an ornament for my memory tree. Oh, that's a nice idea. I love that. Keep sharing your ideas. Keep telling us. I'd love to see a sushi set. Ooh, that's a great idea, too. I love that. Hi, Ed. Thanks for... Oh, nice. That's awesome. Okay, everybody. Well, good chatting with all of you. Enjoy your Sunday. Make sure you're tuning in for In the Kitchen with David. Even though we won't be there, everything today on air and line on QVC is free shipping and handling. Free.
And we love all your recipes too.
Yeah, keep sharing.
We're seeing everything that everyone's posting with recipes and things they're making. It's really fun, and we'd love to see you keep doing that. Please don't slow that down.
See that, Mr. Ed? Everyone likes you too.
See, there you go. now you're not going to be able to get rid of me.
Never. All right, everybody. Well, enjoy your Sunday. Thanks for popping on and sharing a little with us. And we'll see you all really soon. Bye.
Bye-bye.